So for experiment 2, the materials we will need is the 15 millimeters of the 0.5 agarose, 15 milliliters of the TXB buffer, the methyl orange, the Ponce G, the pyronin, xylene, unknown number 1, and unknown number 2. And then we will need the battery, pair of disposable gloves, the safety glasses, which are right here, and we will also need the 100 millimeter beaker right here, 100 millimeter cylinder, the micro tip pipettes, I got 6 of those, and then the transfer, 1 of those. We will need the 2 alligator clips right here, and the carbon fiber, which is right here, the 6-tooth comb right here, and the ruler, and also scissors, paper towels, a hot pad or towel, and some water. So for the first one, it says to put on your safety glasses and a pair of disposable gloves. Okay. And then we are going to shift everything over to the side. So it says to insert the gel chamber comb into the slots at one end of the gel box. So into the slots, the gel chamber comb, insert it into the slots on one end. So push it down as far as it'll go. So I have it inserted just like this, and then once you do that, the comb will cause the agarose to mold around the teeth and create wells. The teeth should not touch the bottom. By loosening the cap, I have already heated up the agarose, so it says to slowly pour it. It needs to be completely melted to avoid solid chunks of gel. It can also boil over. Becomes if using a hot powder towel, remove the bottle from the microwave. While the agarose is still melted, carefully pour into the gel chamber until it reaches the top of the 2 inner chamber walls. Only pour enough agarose to fill the area between the 2 raised inner walls of the chamber. So pour it in here. Once I have poured it, I'm going to pour enough to the 2 raised inner walls of the chamber. So once I have that poured, while the agarose is still liquid, it's important to remove any air bubbles that may have been introduced while pouring. Gently tap the side of the gel chamber without causing agarose to spill over the inner chamber walls. You may also use a disposable transfer pipette to poke or remove any bubbles to the side of the chamber. So I have 1 bubble that I need to get out. Once I have all the bubbles, allow the agarose to rest until it is solidified, approximately 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to push it out the way, and then it says While the agar solidifies, use a ruler and scissors to measure and cut 2 5.5 by 4 centimeter pieces of carbon fabric. So we'll measure those and cut those. 5.5 by 4 centimeters. So I have 2 cut. Fold the fabric pieces in half with the 4 centimeter edges touching either so that they are 2 layers thick. So fold them together so they are 2 layers thick. Set the fabric pieces aside along with the 9-volt belly and 2 alligator clips. You will need them immediately after you load the samples to the gel. Place the gel chamber on a piece of paper towel. Use to measure and pour. So it needs to sit. So I'm going to come back after it sits.